Hello, let's talk about how to play beautiful pizzicato.
Let's take, for example, string D, todo.
Sometimes when we play different pieces along our notes, when we play them with a bow, we can see only one note pizzicato. So how we can do that? Now I just will play for you a short example. If you noticed, I didn't put my bow anywhere to play pizzicato. I just straight my point finger and did it that way. Also, you have to remember about direction of your finger when you play. You should do it not here, but on the side of the bridge and that direction. So it makes the sound of pizzicato more beautiful. If you do it that way, so the sound might be a little bit not so full as when you do it on the fingerboard, on the side of fingerboard. The second thing what you have to remember, that you have to press strings well. For example, now I press 2 strings, so I have to press them well. Let's compare the sound when I press well and when I don't do that too. So I will not press now well. Can you hear? No. So there is big difference, huge difference when you press them well. And the third thing, remember about vibrato. If you will do vibrato during the pizzicato, it will make your sound of your pizzicato much more fuller and much more beautiful. Listen. This is without. Have you noticed the difference? So, practice your pizzicato and I think you will do it very well. See you on the next video.
If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.